Welcome to week 1 of the Cultural Competence in Health Professions course. This week we will cover chapters 1 and 2 in your textbook. Studying these chapters will help you start to build familiarity with the language of cultural competence and begin thinking about how each person's heritage and history helps form their ideas about health and healthcare. The assignments this week are designed to help you get started in the course and become familiar with the textbook and Blackboard Learn. You must acknowledge the plagiarism statement before your course will open. This is located on the left-hand side of your Blackboard course. It's important that you review all parts of the course and complete the orientation activities regarding the computer requirements and creating your Respondus Lockdown browser and ProctorU access. Please complete the Respondus quiz to make sure you have this set up correctly, since all future tests will be taken within this monitoring system. You should also spend some time reviewing the syllabus and schedule to make sure you understand all of the requirements and due dates for this course. It's a good idea to enter all assignments and test dates into your calendar. Please note that during week 1 only, discussion board initial posts are due on Wednesday, and responses and other assignments are due on Sunday at midnight Central Standard Time. Please post your discussion board initial post that includes a picture of yourself and any personal or professional information you would like to share with your peers according to the detailed instructions on Blackboard. The first assignment in this course is due Sunday at midnight. To prepare for this assignment, please read chapters 1 and 2, watch the videos and PowerPoint presentation, and review the grading rubric for the Heritage assignment. The Heritage assignment template is found in Appendix B of the textbook and should be used to guide your data collection as you interview another person regarding their health beliefs. Some tips for conducting this interview are included in the Cultural Care Assessment section of Appendix B. You must interview someone, not yourself, and use the information gathered to prepare a narrative paper. You will also need to locate 2 other resources that support the answers expressed by the person you interview. This narrative should be in APA format using the guidelines found in the APA manual. If you need help with your writing skills or APA formatting, please schedule an appointment with the Writing Center as soon as possible. Skype appointments are available, so you do not have to be on campus. There's no minimum page limit for the Heritage assignment, but your paper should include complete answers to each part of the template with support from your other 2 resources. A cover page and reference lists are required along with in-text citations formatted according to APA guidelines. Please note that a cultural competency paper is due in week 4 of the course. Instructions for this are located in weeks 1 through 4 under Looking Ahead, so you can begin preparing this assignment. Please contact me if you have any questions about the assignments this week. The best way to get in touch is via email at sarahdavidson@astate.edu. My contact information is located on the syllabus too. I'm looking forward to our time together during this course and hope you will enjoy learning about this important part of providing health care to your patients.